I have a 7-year-old sister. She came home from school last Monday, crying. When I asked why, she said to me, people are blaming me in school for the Paris attacks. She said, I don't want to go back. I have a brother in year 7. He got bullied last week. People are telling him, your religion is killing people. This is something I have to go through every day. People link us to terrorism, but we are not terrorists. They have hijacked our religion and used it against us. I was in Tesco's just last week. I walked in. The guy was like, these are the people we want out of our country. These are people you don't want around. So imagine if that was you, coming into my country and I'm treating you this way. How would you feel? So what can we do about it? We can learn about each other's religions and cultures. We can stop making assumptions. We can be fair to one another. I remember, when you tell someone you are a terrorist because of your religion, it's a hate crime, and you have to report it once you view it. My name is Isra Muhammad. I am Muslim, and I am not a terrorist. Thank you.